Good afternoon everybody from Sofia in Bulgaria. I've moved countries now, so I'm slowly making my way back towards the UK, and that has brought me to Bulgaria. So I'm going to be here for a few days. Today, as usual, I'm jumping on a walking tour that starts in around half an hour. So my first impressions of Sofia, not that I've seen too much so far, are very good. So let's go see some more of it and check this place out. So that's the end of the walking tour, and that's my first look around Sofia in Bulgaria, and I like it very, very much. I've also, since finishing the walking tour, booked to do a tour the day after tomorrow, going to Rila Lakes. I couldn't book the monastery tour as well. The tour where you combine the lakes and the monastery together was fully booked, so I'm just doing the lakes tour. So we'll cut to that tour now. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Sofia in Bulgaria. This morning I'm going to check out the 7 Rila Lakes. Yeah, the meeting point's just over there, so let's be on the way. Oh, by the way, it is super early, 6:30. We leave at 7, so as usual I'm far earlier than I need to be, but I can see the vans here already, so let's go.
Normally we'll take
ticket. Thank you. So we have arrived, and first things first, we need to take a ski lift up to the top of the start of the trail, I suppose. So ticket purchased, 25 levy for both directions, up and down. So I didn't realise it was like a 30-minute ride on the lift, which seems like a long time. And we're in!
Here we are! This is very cool.
We love him.
Jump.
No?
Jump.
And we're off. That wasn't half an hour though, that was like 20 minutes. That's quite nice, quite pleasant, very, very peaceful. And now I think we've got to chill here for everybody else to come. I think we have like a coffee break here before we set off. But the beginning of the hike looks very, very steep. See people just going up over there.
We'll start to see the lakes here in the valley.
It's 9:45 and the hiking has begun. I've had a coffee, so that should help things. We've been hiking about 45 minutes, and look at the state of these views. You can see 3 lakes already.
Yeah.
There's 7 altogether. So it looks like this is where things start to get serious. It looks very, very steep from here. So slow and steady, I think, will win the race. Let's go. spectacular already. I think we've only seen 3 of the 7 lakes, so it's going to be amazing once we get up to the top. Look. So by the way, this tour cost €30, but apparently it's self-guided, so it's just transport. It was €40 to do it guided, but I've been hiking this whole way so far with 2 people that paid for the guided one, so I don't really know what the difference is. And as the guide's been stopping with the group, I have stopped once or twice, so yeah, I think don't pay for the guided one, it's all the same, save yourself €10. And we just popped up over this ridge and out of nowhere,
Another lake.
another lake. Nice. I don't really want to stop here though, because I mean it'll be beautiful just sitting there having a sandwich, but I want more time when we get to the top, so we must keep going. So I guess this is it, the top. 3 lakes over there. I think there might be one down there. I can't quite see. One over there. And one over that way. Let's go have a look. Getting in another guy's video there, but never mind. He was also getting in mine, so 2 more. Amazing. Time for a rest and a spot of lunch. So after a good hour and 20 minutes I think, sat at the top eating my lunch, enjoying the view, I've now started to make my way back down, back to the chairlifts. I think we have to be there at 2 o'clock. It's 1:45, so I've got plenty of time, but most of my group seem to have left, so I thought I'd better do the same. I don't know if they maybe stop down here at this lake or something. I can't see anybody that I recognise, so I'm just going to keep going I think. The views though, as you'll have seen, wow, absolutely spectacular, and for quite a relatively easy hike as well. It was only like, what did I say, an hour and a half to get up to the top, so yeah, not very strenuous either, a little bit steep in places, but like I say, relatively easy and well worth doing for the views. So that is where I've just come from. That's the top area where everybody stops and rests. Okay, so I'm going to end the video here because I'm on my way down, so I think we've seen the best of the views. Tomorrow I'm leaving Bulgaria. I'm going to a different country and I'm going by bus. Not my favourite mode of transport, but well, it's what we're doing. So tune in for that one tomorrow. Please give this video a like, share it with people, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, stay subscribed for more videos coming very soon. See ya.